In this video, we are going to change the default page layout in Microsoft Word. Let's begin. Microsoft Word uses the document size and layout as A4 by default. You can change it to letter, tabloid, A3, A5, B4, B5, executive, legal, and statement. Let's see how to change the default page layout. Open Microsoft Word on your Windows PC or Mac. Now open a blank document. Select Layout on the menu bar. Expand the Size menu. Select one of the default sizes from the list. That's it. Now you can also change the default layout to landscape from portrait or vice versa. Here's how. Open Microsoft Word on your Windows PC or Mac. Now open a blank document. Now click on Layout at the top. Expand Orientation and select Landscape. Lastly, if you're writing a Word document for a magazine or newspaper, try the column layout. Here's what you need to do. Head to the Layout menu in Microsoft Word. Expand the Columns menu. Select one of the default column styles, or make custom changes from the More Columns menu. That's it. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.